All right, guys, one of the fundamental principles of PPC Entourage is long tail search terms. And what long tail search terms are the longer terms that people use inside of Amazon to search for your product. And as you know, there's a million ways to say the same thing. And we have found with our experience that by finding some of these longer tail search terms that have 2, 3, 4, sometimes even 5 words in one search term, by bidding on those, we get some of the best results that we've gotten across any campaign. And we worked with a lot of Amazon sellers now, and that has been the case across the board. It's usually one of their best campaigns. So to demonstrate what a long tail search term is, I'm inside of Power PPC, search term expansion, and I selected an ACOS that is within our profitable range of 30%, selected the SKUs and all of the campaigns that have those SKUs inside of them, and clicked on continue. And we're going to demonstrate how to do this in detail in later modules. But here you're going to see all of the search terms that shoppers used to connect with our keywords. So we had a keyword in there, nail clipper, which is not considered a long tail search term. It's just a keyword that we had inside of one of our campaigns as a broad match type. That keyword connected with a long tail search term, toenail clippers for thick nails for seniors. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's seven words in one long tail search term. That's a lot right there. But you're going to see some of these are a little bit shorter. We have toenail clippers. Here's toenail clipper set. Nail and toe was the keyword. That connected with toenail scrubber, right? So we're trying to find some of these longer tail search terms that actual customers are using to connect with your product so that you can then find those search terms and bid on them inside of a campaign. This has been our strategy and continues to be our strategy, and we've had a lot of success doing this. There are several advantages that we found to doing this. First and foremost, you're not going after the main, well, you're still going to be going after the main keywords, and we recommend doing that as long as the bid price is not like astronomically high. But you're going to be going after long tail search terms and turning them into keywords. And the result of that sometimes is that the keyword bid price is going to be lower. The average cost per click is going to be a little bit lower. It doesn't always work out that way, but we have found that the average cost per click could be lower because there's less competition for these particular search terms when you convert them into keywords. More than likely, your competition's not going to be going after that. So we have also found that by getting sales for these long tail search terms, you start to show up organically in results for that long tail search term the next time somebody types it into Amazon. And we have a tool that we use inside of Keyword Inspector. If you go to the main page of Keyword Inspector and do a search, it's a free search, you can see how many keywords and search terms you rank for. And because we do this, we rank for well over 3,000, I think it's like 3,600 keywords the last time I checked for our main product. So go ahead and check that out. And a good strategy would be to go to Keyword Inspector and see how many search terms and keywords you rank for now. Then do some of these strategies and then try to get more ranking for other keywords and search terms later on. So that's it. Long tail search terms are super important. We're also going to try to find a bunch of them in our keyword research by going to bulk keyword research lists and getting that and uploading them into PPC Entourage to find brand new opportunities. Again, I'm going to show you that in later modules, but the purpose of this video is to tell you about the importance of long tail search terms and how you can use them to your advantage.